Start by using a cleaner to remove built-up dirt and stains. Make sure to work it in gently across the entire surface. Wipe away any excess with a clean cloth. Restore the color and nourish the leather with a black shoe polish. Apply a thin and even layer on clean and dry shoes. Finish by protecting your shoes with a waterproof spray. Spray generously from about 30 centimeters away and let them air dry completely. Finish off with a shoe deodorant for extra freshness inside your shoes. Repeat regularly to keep your shoes clean, nourished, and protected season after season. Add extra comfort with gel insoles that relieve pressure and keep your feet in place. Self-adhesive, barely visible, and a total game changer for long days or late nights.